I got soaking from taking a shower, but now I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna dive in. I'm not sure that's a good idea. Trust me, it's a fine idea. Okay, I'm following you. Ow, that hurt. I'm drowning. Ha ha, no I'm not. Ha ha, no I'm not. Ha ha, no I'm not. I'm cold. Is there bugs in the... Oh! Were you going to say pool? Why do you have to get everything right? I hate you. That's not very nice. I know more than you do. Sorry. Whee! Whirlpool, stop! You're gonna make me drown, actually. Do you know how whirlpools are like? Ooh. Are you okay? Ooh. Ooh. Whee! This is awkward. Whee! This is fun. Yay! A merry-go-round. I don't think this is a merry-go-round. Sure is to me. I think we got trapped in your stupid whirlpool. Excuse me? Come on. Okay, there it goes. Come on, get a boost. Ah! Ow! You could make me drown. And who is that smart pants? Me! Merry-go-round. Fine. Whee! Okay, this is getting boring. Okay, I'm all dried up. You're lucky. Don't get on me, Dumbo. Stop. Stop. Ah! Bye-bye. Wait, don't leave me here. What's happening? Ah! You almost made me get... You almost made me die because of you. Excuse me. Let's go home.